Visographic was founded in 1946, and it has changed a lot throughout the years. Our family purchased Visographic in 1979. We are a general commercial printer that focuses on direct mail, web-to-print, websites, and general commercial printing. So our customer base is anywhere from a mom-and-pop pizza store down the street that needs 50 flyers to a large multinational corporation that needs 500,000 direct mail pieces. Well, over the last probably 3 to 4 to 5 years, our market's changed a lot. We still do lots of litho, and that's really what still pays the bills here, but as we analyze our customers' needs, the digital printing has really grown exponentially from year to year. One of the challenges for companies like ours is producing a lot more jobs that are smaller and having them go through our plant quickly. So one of the things that we're trying to invest in is automation, and the Bourg booklet, really, the booklet maker has really helped us with that. And Ricoh has been an excellent partner with us as we've grown our digital. They've held our hand through the path of digital, and we want to keep looking at solutions to give our clients better options, better pricing, better efficiency, and through automation with Booklet Maker, the 9110 is helping us. The Bourg solution was definitely something that was a little more robust, something we wanted with a little more substantial output, and that's why we selected it. So
really, reliability, durability, and productivity are really the main reasons. And when we analyzed both the Ricoh Series 9100 and the Bourg Booklet Maker, it really came down to the fact that they were efficient. They essentially run unmanned once you get them up and running. They're extremely productive. The Bourg can handle the speed of the 9110 series, and the purchase point for the whole system was something that we felt that not only we could afford, but it was a good return on investment. One of the main factors is that the 9110 series, along with the Bourg, can run basically unmanned. So even when we're running multiple shifts, we have operators that can set up the machine and essentially let it run for an hour, hour and a half without any operator intervention other than going over and taking off the line and adding paper once in a while. So the reliability was a huge factor for us, and being able to just turn it on and walk away and let it run. In terms of obviously what we're doing now is we're printing, we're folding, we're scoring, three-knife trimming, stitching, and coming out done. So we're much more of an on-demand process, whereas before we were even three-knife trimming after the fact if we had a lesser stitcher on the back of a machine. This is a completely inline operation where we can go from beginning to end in a matter of seconds. So if a client calls and needed a booklet out today, it could be done today without a problem. And the reliability and the durability, so we can run larger machines or larger books, thicker books. We have the Honer stitcher heads, which allows us for a much more reliable set of standards when it comes to saddle stitching all of our books.
Attack those larger jobs at better price points for our clients. Extremely easy to operate. The interface is very intuitive, and I think the other thing too is that the Bourg is scalable. Right now, well, in the past we were running a 901 series Ricoh that was running about, let's say, essentially 1,500 sheets an hour. Now the 9110 we're running about 2,000 sheets an hour, and we know that as digital presses keep coming out and as fast as they're coming out, we know that we can attach the Bourg to even faster machines because it'll run up to 5,000 sheets an hour. So that's the other thing about the Bourg is not only is it durable, we know that it's going to last, but it's also scalable as we get other machines that are faster to put at the end of it.
Yeah, you know what? The reliability of the machine's great, so service is extremely limited in terms of what we really need. Everything that we've had to do has been basically over the phone, which is very, very nominal. So, you know, in terms of the reliability, and that was one of the reasons we wanted the machine too, is that we knew it was a heavy-duty machine that we weren't going to have to worry about pushing it too hard and worrying about throwing too much at it.
The print industry is seeing shorter runs, faster turnaround, and so they've got to be able to manage multiple jobs very quickly in order to produce those jobs cost effectively. And what the Bourg brings to the table in conjunction with our 9110 is the ability to do just that. Without a lot of operator intervention, it's able to run, you could queue up multiple jobs, it's going to print those jobs quickly and efficiently with minimal labor involved, which means you can produce those jobs cost effectively and deliver on the timelines that the customers are demanding.
Well, it's an extreme pleasure to be to work with Visigraph and with Ricoh, and as a matter of fact, if it wasn't for John's input to help develop the bridge to go in line, this is the first Bourg BME Booklet Maker Bleed Crease module with the Booklet Maker hooked up in line with the 9110, and it was only because of the input and support of Visigraph and their input to help develop it.
So what are you waiting for? Visit our website to make an appointment with a CP Bourg distributor near you. CP Bourg, your partner in print finishing.